Indy 500 this weekend. The Friday before the Indy 500 is Carb Day at Indianapolis Motor Speedway. Final practice for all 33 drivers in the 105th running of the greatest spectacle in racing, and also final practice for broadcasters. Calling the action high above Turn 2 on the IndyCar radio network is Michael Young, a Bowling Green alum and former rock DJ for WIOT here in Toledo in the early 90s. Young has been with IndyCar Radio since 2011 and also works on the track's public address system. It's an unexpected career twist Young cherishes.
Never in a million years did I dream that I would be working here at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. It was really a dream come true and a fortunate set of circumstance. I was part of iHeartRadio in 2006 and was one of the first to be let go. And I could see the future of radio was very bleak. So I thought to myself, well, I better reinvent myself. And hence I started down this road of becoming an elephant ear machine away from being a carny. I did whatever it took to continue trying to be part of something creative. Simon Pagenaud trying to sweep the Monmouth Bay and trying to go to eternal glory, winning his first ever Indianapolis 500. But Rossi is right there. He looks to the inside. When I sit at home and watch the news networks at night, getting ready for the race and the local radio stations covering the race, to think, my gosh, I'm part of this event and that millions of people will be listening to myself, Nick Yeoman, Jake Query, Chris Denary, Mark James call this race. It's hard to even imagine that this is happening.
Sunday's 500 radio broadcast is available on 300 U.S. affiliates and on streaming platforms worldwide. We'll dive deeper into Young's job tomorrow night on Sports Nightly